Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8. Is organized by Modern English School, Navada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Navada. Students, today I shall solve test paper of test paper 1 of chapter 2 exponents. It is the common exercise. It is the common exercise of exponents. So in test paper 2, question number 2 of group A, evaluate minus 2 by 3 to the power 3 whole power minus 2. So first of all, we have cleared the value of minus 2 by 3 to the power 3. Minus 2 to the power 3 means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Here power of negative number is odd number. So the power of result is negative. And 2 to the power 3. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. By 3 to the power 3. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9 and 9 3 is 27. So minus 8 by 27 to the power minus 2. Now next step is minus 8 by 27 to the power minus 2. A by b to the power minus m equal to b by a to the power m. Laws of exponents. 27 by 8 minus 8 to the power 2. Negative power change into positive power. Then fractions are same. Numerator change into denominator and denominator change into numerator. Now students, 27 by 8 minus 8 to the power 2. So 27 to the power 2 means 27 into 27. Minus 8 to the power 2. So minus 8 into minus 8. Minus into minus plus. 8 8 is 64. And 27 into 27. 729. Answer. And question number 3. In my book, the answer of question number 3 is wrong. So not confused. I solved and I found right answer of this question. First of all, 3 to the power minus 1. A to the power minus 1 equal to 1 by A. So 1 by 3 plus 6 to the power minus 1. That means 1 by 6 divided by 3 by 4 to the power minus 1. A by b to the power minus 1 equal to b by a to the power 1. That means 4 by 3. It change into 4 by 3. Now next step is take an LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. 3 to the 6 and 1 to the 2. 6 1 the 6, 1 1 the 1. 4 by 6. Next step. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. 3 by 6. Divided by 4 by 6. 3 by 6 means 3 to the 6. So 1 by 2. Sign of divide change into sign of multiply. So 4 by 6 change into 6 by 4. 6 by 4. Check it. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 divided by 3 by 4 change into 4 by 3. Okay. And 3 to the 6. So 2 1 the 2 plus 1 3. 3 by 6 equal to divided by 4 by 6. Divided by 4 by 6. So 3 by 6 divided by 4 by 6. Sorry. No, 4/6 नहीं, divided by 4/3, sorry, 4/3, 4/3, 4/3, and 4 by change into sign of divide change into multiply. So 4 by change into 3/4 equal to 2 4 ja 8 and 3 1 ja 3. 3/8 is the answer of this question. Right. Students, next question is question number 4. By what number should -2/3 to the power -3 be divided so that the quotient is 4/9 to the power -2? So let the required number be x. Let the required number be x. According to question, -2 by, let the required number be x. So according to question, -2/3 to the power -3. So -2/3 to the power -3 divided by x. Quotient is 4/9 to the power -2. Now solve it. Here x divided by x by transposition, -2/3 to the power -3 equal to 4/9 to the power -2. Divide change into multiply. Now that implies x equal to 4/9 to the power -2 and divide by transposition change into multiply. So -2/3 to the power -3 divided by 4/9 to the power -2. Now that implies x equal to -2/3 to the power -3 change into -3/2 to the power 3 divided by 4/9 to the power -2. So change it's 9/4 to the power 2. Now -3 to the power 3. 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27. 27/2. Oh, sorry. 2 to the power 3. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Divided by 9 to the power 2. 9 9 is 81. Divided by 4 to the power 2. So 16. -27 by 8. Divide change into multiply. So 16/81. 8 to the 16. Student -27 into 2. So -54/81. Answer of this question. Right? 9 6 ja 54 and 9 9 ja 81. 3 3 ja 3 2 ja 6 and 3 3 ja equal to -2/3 is the answer. In change into simplest form. So -2/3 is the answer of this question. Writing. Students, next question is question number 6. Express each of the following in a standard form. Express each of the following in a standard form. First, 345. 345, it's changed into a standard form. It is in usual form. So decimal shifted 2 place 1 2 2 place from right to left. So 3.45 decimal shifted here 2 place 1 2. So 10 to the power 2 answer of this question. Here 1 lakh 80,000 is in usual form. Change it into a standard form. So decimal shifted 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 1.8 into 10 to the power 5 answer. Next 0.00003. Here decimal shifted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus left to right. So we write it 3 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 to the power minus 6 answer. Here 0.00027. Here decimal shifted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus. So write 2.7 into 10 to the power, count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus left to right. So 10 to the power minus 5 answer. Write it. Students, next question is question number 10. It is very important question of test paper 2. If 5 to the 5 by 12 to the power minus 4, 5 by 12 to the power minus 3 equal to 5 by 12 to the power 5, then x equal to. Here find the value of x. So write it. Question is 5 by 12 to the power minus 4 into 5 by 12 to the power 3x equal to 5 by 12 to the power 5. Now that implies 5 by 2, 12 to the power minus 4 by transposition change into divide there. So 5 by 12 to the power 3x equal to 5 by 12 to the power 5. Here change into divide, divided by 5 by 12 to the power minus 4. Now 5 by 12 to the power 3x equal to 5 by 12 to the power 5 divided by 5 by 12 to the power minus 4. A by b to the power m divided by a by b to the power n equal to a by b to the power m minus n. So 5 by 12 to the power 5 minus 4. Next step is 5 by 12 to the power 3x equal to 5 by 12 to the power minus 5 minus plus 5 plus 4. Next step here 5 by 12 to the power 3x equal to 5 by 12 to the power 9. That implies comparing both sides, bases are equal, then index or exponents are also equal. So 3x equal to 9. That implies x equal to 9 by 3. 3 3s are 9. So 3 answer of this question. Write it. Students, now I am going to solve some objective questions here. Question number 11. 3 by 5 to the power 0. Find the value of 3 by 5 to the power 0. And question number 12. In question number 12, minus 6 by 5 to the power minus 1. In question number 13, minus 1 by 3 to the power 3. All questions are dependent on laws of exponents. So a by b to the power 0 equal to 1. Similarly, 3 by 5 to the power 0 equal to 1. Clear answer is 1. Minus 6 by 5 to the power minus 1. A by b to the power minus 1 equal to b by a. So it change into minus 5 by 6. Answer. And last question is minus 1 by 3 to the power 3. So minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 divided by 3 into 3 into 3 equal to minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1. So 1 by 3 3 ja 9 and 9 3 ja 27. Minus 1 by 27 answer of the question. Today homework, revise test paper, revise test paper 2. Homework. Students, today your homework is revise test paper 2. Thank you. That's all.